My comrades, when I'm no more drinking, but sick with gout or palsy lie, exhausted on my sickbed sinking, believe me then my end is nigh. But die I this day or tomorrow, my testament's already made. My burial from your hands I'll borrow, but without splendor or parade. And when me to my grave you're bringing, then follow after man by man. Let no sad funeral bells be ringing, but tinkling glasses be your plan. And on my tombstone be inscribed, this man was born, lived,